Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Trello to Discord. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Trello website and log in into your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Trello workspace. Here, locate the board you'd like to connect to Discord. Next, at the top of the board's interface, you'll notice a menu option called Power-Ups. Click on this to access Trello's collection of additional features that can enhance your boards. Power-ups are essentially integrations and features that can expand the functionality of your Trello boards. Within the Power-ups menu, you should look for the Discord Notifications power-up. Once you find it, click on the Add button. This step is crucial as it initiates the integration process between Trello and Discord. Be sure to read through any permissions the power-up requests. Permissions are necessary for Trello to send information to your Discord server, so it's important to agree to them in order to proceed with the integration. Once you've agreed to the permissions, the page will reload to activate the changes. After it refreshes, look for a small bell icon that will now appear near the Power-Ups button on your board. This new icon indicates that the Discord notification feature has been successfully added. Clicking on the bell icon will bring up the Discord notification settings box. Here, you can customize the types of notifications you'd like to receive on Discord. And just like that, you've connected your Trello board directly to Discord. So that is how you can connect Trello to Discord. So that's all for this video. Thanks.